In August 1988, as I sat in an airplane, flying from Colorado to California to attend the only college that accepted me, I had an epiphany. As I flicked my retainer with my tongue and ran my fingers through the back of my mullet, I reflected on my cavalier attitude throughout high school and on all the poor decisions I made. Considering the minimal effort required for my moderate academic success in high school, and excited to establish myself in college, I wondered whether the same cavalier attitude would suffice for the next 4 years. I was supremely confident in my intelligence. After all, I had skipped 8th grade. I felt smarter than all my friends, and school had always been easy for me. But I feared that my native intelligence might not be enough to overcome all the bad habits I developed in high school. Fearing the thought of failing out of college, it was in that moment that I decided to apply myself in college, to realize my potential, and to become the caliber of student I never was in high school.